What a lovely morning. La 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 la. What? Oh my tibidaba. What on earth? Roger! Roger? Raj! Where are you? Raj, wake up! Wake up already!
5 more minutes, Mom. Sam? Are you out of your mind? What is it?
Raj, you've got to see this. Hurry up, shake a leg.
Okay, Sam, I'm coming. There's nothing here.
Wrong way! Come here! Look out from that window, Raj! Hurry up already!
All right. It did happen after all.
What are you talking about? What did happen?
Zombies, Sammy! They are everywhere! Okay, I'm declaring Operation Survive at all costs! Ouch! Be right back! Get ready for a tough battle!
I hope you know what you're doing! Ah! Roger? What are you doing? Oh, I'm scared. This is insane! Are you sure this is going to help us? Ah! Don't you need nails?
Good point. But we certainly can't do without a special zombie alarm system. To make the alarm system, we're going to need a lot of soda cans and a rope. Sam, where's the rope?
I'm on it. I hope we get the alarm in time. I think I heard footsteps at the door. Take it and make sure this will be sturdy enough. I'm all right.
Okay, we need to lift the ring on the can. Now we'll thread the rope through and tie a perfect knot here, like this. Alrighty then, we're done with this one!
Roger, keep it down, please. Aha! And then it goes there. Oh, I'm getting dizzy from all the loops.
It should end up something like this. Cats on a rope.
Let's go hang it up quickly before the zombies sneak into our house.
Wait, Sam, we're not done yet.
We don't have all day here. Hurry up!
Sammy, the cans alone won't make a good alarm system. We need them to make a loud sound.
What are you doing? Stop it! They'll hear us!
There we go. Now it should be noisy enough. That's it! Now no zombie will go unnoticed.
Are you doing that on purpose?
What?
Raj, please be quiet, okay?
No problem. Oops.
What are you doing, Raj? You can't even attach it right. Why do I always have to do everything myself? Hopefully it really works this time. Oh, I'm so smart and slick. They're coming!
Sorry, I was going to get some cookies, but I forgot about the alarm. Ouch! Sammy, I'm afraid I won't be able to help you any longer. Leave me here, save yourself.
No, Roger, I will never leave a fellow crafter behind. I'm gonna help you, but keep it down, please. Don't move, Roger. 1, 2, 3.
Phew, thanks, Sammy.
You know what? You need a zombie protection, and I know exactly what's right for you. First, show me how you would defend yourself if you were attacked by a true zombie.
Huh? How are magazines gonna protect me from zombies?
By wrapping it around your hand, dummy.
All right. Glamour magazines give me power. Now watch and learn.
Don't you need some tape?
Oh, I do, thanks.
Meh, something has to be done about your legs. Oh, I know. Hey, Raj, please take this soda.
Oh yeah, I could use some soda.
No, don't drink it all. No.
Ugh, that was amazing.
Stop littering here. We need this to protect your legs.
Don't be so boring, it's okay. Uh-oh, I'll be right back.
Where are you going? Uh-oh, is it zombies?
It was just me. Don't be such a chicken.
Did someone call me?
Huh? Nobody called you, chick.
We are protecting from zombies here. Zombies? Oh, no.
Oh.
Please. Raj, we need to work faster.
Okay, let's get back to work. First, we'll remove the tops, like this. Now we'll remove the bottom parts. Bam! Yay! And finally, we need to make cuts in the middle.
You also need to make holes. Take this.
Oh, right. Let me try it. Why is it not working? Oh, I can't.
You are not strong enough, but I am. Woohoo! Something went wrong. Help!
I will save you, Sammy. Hold on.
Raj! Ouch! I hope zombies didn't hear that.
Sammy! Anyway, I managed to make a few openings, you see?
Here. Now you need to thread the string through the holes and you're all set.
Hey, you know what, Sam? That's pretty smart. No zombie bites. My armor can withstand anything. I am invincible.
That's the spirit. Let's go.
Whoa. I am so ready. I am so strong. I can do that.
Yeah, Roger. You can do that. Ah! Oh, no.
Sam, it's them. It's the zombies.
What do we do, Raj?
Hold on. Look there. I think I know what will help us.
What? What is it? Tell me. Huh? What are you talking about?
Come on, I'll show you. First, we'll need a fishing net like this one. Check this out. We'll use just a small part of it. Now let's split it in half like this.
Hey, Raj! I think I found something. Here you go.
Okay. And ask where you got these from.
You don't want to know. Just don't go into the bathroom, okay?
Oh, what's this?
Is it something scary? It is just a TV.
Alrighty then. Let's tie these tubes together using simple Scotch tape. And all done. Looks good to me. Now, hold your breath. We need to attach the fishing net to the plastic tubes.
And how does that thing work?
Like this.
Oh, I see. Zombie trap. And what now, Raj? What's the plan?
When I open a door, you come out, distract zombies, and I catch them with this net.
What? No way. I'm not going in there. You are bigger. You go.
Okay, fine. Ooh. Okay, Roger, you can do it. You've got armor. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. I ordered pizza. I didn't know they work in the zombie apocalypse.
Got you, zombie. You can't escape now.
Ouch. Ow.
Take this and that, stupid zombie. Don't come even close to our house again. Ugh.
It hurts.
How should I know you're not a zombie? You could have been an imposter.
Couldn't you ask?
Well, I'm sorry that you look like a real zombie from behind.
At least we have pizza. Oh no, it's ruined.
Don't worry so much. We can order another one.
You're right, Sammy.
Just tell me what you need and I will help you. You know me.
If we want to go outside, we need to protect our feet better.
Are you sure about these boots?
Yup.
Whoa! Hey, that's not funny. Raj, stop that now. Stop that stomping.
I'm not doing anything.
I know. I was just checking out the boots, you know. They're really good.
Hold on. I'll make spikes on them so no zombie will ever think of biting my feet. What do you say?
Wow! I need to try them myself. Holy cannoli, they look so cool. Ouch! So sharp!
Oh, Sammy. They're designed to scare off zombies, not hurt pink slimes.
I am so stressed out.
Oh, I have an idea. But you need to get out, buddy.
Ouch! Okay, I will go somewhere else.
And we need a big plate and a few cupcakes. More cupcakes. Even more. More.
More cupcakes? Me like it.
Wait, what is the sound?
Just some little expert check before I smash the cupcakes, just like this.
Ooh, I never did this before, but okay. All done. Now let's use a different plate. Oh, and add another ingredient.
Oh, condensed milk. Why, Raj? Why? But this actually tastes good.
I guess I need more milk. Sammy?
Sorry, my friend. This is too delicious. I couldn't resist. Please come up with something else.
Great. Now we're out of milk.
You can take my brain, Roger.
Oh, thanks.
But now my head is empty. I'm a zombie too.
Don't worry, friends. This is just fondant to make brain twists. Now we're talking.
Raj, stop making this mess. Or clean it yourself at least. Why do I always have to? Hey, give it back!
Now let's make our brains look even more real, or the zombies won't eat it. We'll use some food coloring.
Raj, are you okay? Are you out of your mind or is this brain yours?
That's a good one, Sam. Now check this out.
Oh, I'm not sure I'm not a zombie myself. This looks so delicious. I want to eat this brain now.
Well, sure. This is super sweet, and you're the biggest sweet tooth I know. Now let's go.
No, my precious. Give me my precious.
Okay, I'm all set.
No, you are not ready. Stay. You're not just...
Fine. Have this, buddy. And I'll be back with new pizza before you know it, okay? Let's do this.
But what if you get attacked? What if you get eaten? Oh.
I have the best armor possible, so don't even worry about it. Okay? I'm going out.
You are a good friend. Hey, what is this? I got it. It's Halloween tonight. Oh, this must be Raj. Oh, Raj, you are back. Good news.
Sammy, there are no zombies.
But why are you upset?
You see, I thought I was hunting zombies out there, but I caught 3 actual people in it.
That must have been fun.
You don't say. It was all for nothing.
Come on, Raj. We showed our friends how to protect from zombies if they come.
Oh, you're right. Hope you liked it.
Bye-bye, friends. Where is that pizza?
I knew that zombies are not real.
That's right.
Ah, zombie chick!
Zombie? Where?
Ah!